Mimi Thrasher here with your first task for the lettuce challenge. And the first task is to punch holes in your container, whether it's your plastic container or your clear tote. And the holes should be big enough to let water through, but not big enough to let the earth through. And you can use a hammer and a nail or a screwdriver. My screwdriver happens to have this little pointy tip, so I'm going to be using that. And if you've got a bunch of tools in your basement like my boyfriend does, you could actually even use a drill if you wanted to. But the holes, very easy to put in, and you want them to put far enough apart so that the water all over from here, when you water it, will get through but will not let the earth out. When it comes to the clear plastic tote, don't be afraid. I made some holes here on a piece of wood because I thought it would be easier to make a hole. It's a little bit more brittle and thicker than the clamshell. You might have to use a hammer and a nail or a drill, and it might crack, and that's okay. You want to do them far enough apart so that the cracks least likely connect with each other, and you're just doing it around inside the ridge. The earth you're going to be filling up in both of them for lettuce is going to be about 3 inches. Doesn't have to be more than that. So your task is to create the holes in your containers and fill it up with 3 inches worth of vegetable potting mix. And I'll see you in the next video.